Top of the top. How we doing, guys? It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the Shoe Palace. What's on the feet today? Okay. Got the SBs on. Hope you guys are all doing well. I am blessed, can't complain, man. Hopping right into this video, what we got going on today. I'm gonna be dropping the Z off at Tuner Evo today. Unfortunately, the car has to go there a day before, so it's gonna have to sit overnight. Right now, I'm about to pull up to my boys over at Upscale Detailing, get this thing washed. Even though this thing doesn't really look dirty, it's a little dusty, but to be frankly honest with you guys, I have to say doing the ceramic coat on this wrap has been well worth it. You probably wouldn't believe me if I told you this, but I haven't washed this car since November 22nd, and it's now January 28th, so it's been over 2 months, and she still looks super clean. I'm not even gonna lie. And I've driven the car at least like 10 times, so it's not like it's just been sitting here. I haven't quick detailed it, I haven't wiped the hood or nothing. Crazy. All right, guys, let's fire this bad boy up. I know she's cold, because I'm cold. Idle like this forever and you'll be good. That's all you gotta do. Alright guys, we made it. I'm actually really shocked that this thing looks clean still.
It's Modelo time, fool!
Looks clean on these Meisters. I ain't even seeing the details. Forged carbon face. That's that drip. She all done. Crispy like KFC. Oh, look at this one right here. The rear end looks pretty good in all black. Okay. I'm not the biggest fan of the rear end with the other colors, but all black looks pretty good because it all flows. We are almost there. What's up, dogs? Need for speed. Everybody's had that car before. Alright, just pulled up. Sheesh, got the F8s over here looking saucy though. I think that satin looks a little better. It's aggressive. I hear you. My boy in there bumping that Mozzie, I see you. Got the little hatch on the Meisters, the baby Meisters. My boy right here, Lexus gang now. I remember he used to be all about the Hondas. What's up, dog? Well, we are just waiting to get inside. These wheels is hitting though, I ain't gonna lie.
Not really working.
Forged carbon. Is that a turbo HR, dog? Yeah. Oh, baby. 135. My boy State Ref ready. It's pretty hard. The body lines are sick. For sure tracks it. I can dig it. Them polished TEs though. Okay. Nah, those look triple chrome. My bad, brother, my bad.
You think it's on air?
Yeah. Probably the cleanest New Z I've seen. It's like TJ's white body, but all black like does his car justice. JDM AF. Real deal Holyfield. Sick. Little baby RPF wands. Bro, Oscar fumbled the bag. He's not here, bro. He's not gonna be here for a couple hours, so that means that I can't roll in. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. I'm gonna have to come back later or something. TE the world. I need to bring out my fitment stickers. Fitted. Damn, okay. Got the 4Gs. Now I got chrome brake rotors. Damn. This thing's clean. Looks like a little baby like RX-7. The Advent GTs. The Evo. RCF. Oof. The SV. Josh Laurent brought out the AMG. Damn, that boy got the Benz. On the Advent GTs? What is this, the E55? Pretty saucy right there. That's different. I dig it. I like the color combo. This thing's actually really clean. My style, 100%. Very nice. Sounds pretty good. I told him when he first was gonna boost this, he's like, he told me it was a rev up. I was like, bro, don't boost it. Don't do it. He said it lasted him 3 days. So now he built the motor. And so far, so good. Sounds good though. Damn, Oscar, you fumbled the bag, man.
Good luck with that, bro.
Corn. Thing sounds nice. All that smells corn. Look who it is. RB boys. Gotta get some pulls in with this thing. I don't know what it makes, but pretty sure it makes over 600. Oh, he got that same dash I'm putting in the 15.
It's a very nice.
Hello. Cole's big dream car. Imagine, bro, I had a twin turbo SV. Rotary boys. clean. It's different. I like the Z, dog. Damn, I forgot a Tomei emblem. Jeez. All over me. Where's your Tomei, sir? There it is. Oh, it's not a Tomei. That Q50? Dismal boys. Okay, okay. It's a nice F80 right here.
Yeah, that's clean.
Sauce on the BBS's. It's clean, my boy. SSRs. Okay, okay. The boat works. Alright, work boys. Real wheel gang, they out here. Is that a Tomei, dog? Got the rear mount HR. People keep tagging for us to race, bro. It's unfair. Like, it's not fair yet. Here's a stock block. Like, why do you guys keep tagging us to race? It's unfair, man. Can't be racing stock block Z's. Static!
Oh, yeah.
My man.
Yes, sir.
Alright, I know y'all ain't never seen no trunk like this. Probably got a koi pond in here.